Hello mga Suki Loves! Medyo sad ako for today's video. Last time kasi nagkamali ako sa ating customer. At suki ko pa naman siya, matagal na mga Suki Loves. And from it, na-learn ko na sa business na ito is no one is perfect talaga kahit gaano pa natin ka-organized, careful, and passionate when it comes sa ating work. Halos kulang sa tulog basta mayroong order para lang ma-prepare natin ng maayos, pero may mga moments talaga tayong lutang at may mga pangyayari talagang meron ka nang makakalimutan na order. Buti na lang mabait yung client ko and very understanding. Hindi po siya nagalit at di po siya nagsalita ng hindi maganda sa akin. And buti na lang din ay isang bilao na pansit lang ang order niya. Kasi kung hindi, kung package yun, ako, lagot ako mga Suki Loves, wala siyang maihanda sa birthday niya or kung ano mang okasyon, kaya siya nag-order sa akin. That time, siguro, pandagdag lang sana sa handa niya, tapos nakalimutan ko pa. Very sad talaga. And first time po itong nangyari sa akin, siguro sa sobrang pagod ko na, kasi aside sa small business natin ay ang dami ko pang ginagawa at iniisip, including na dyan yung pagiging asawa at ina, which is hindi po talaga madali. But whatever reason it is, tinanggap kong mali ako at nanghingi ako ng sorry. Dahil di na rin kayang ihabol pa yung order niya, supposedly kasi is 7 p.m. yung order niya, dapat ma-deliver na, and 8 p.m. siya nag-follow up. My God, kahit mag-transform ako into Darna, ay di ko na talaga kayang i-magic pa mga Suki Loves. So, wala akong ibang nagawa kundi manghingi ng pasensya at sorry. But anyways, that's part of being human. Kasi I believe that no one is perfect talaga except God. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi measurement sa isang business kung perfect ka ba talaga or di ka ba nagkakamali minsan. So maybe it's how the business responds and challenges come. It's about having the humility to listen and accept feedback. Kahit anong sasabihin ni customer sa'yo, tanggapin mo because nagkakamali ka. But from it, you learn and you keep improving because customer service is more than just serving good food, delivery on time, and so on and so forth. Para sa akin, customer service is about respect, communication, accountability, and making every customer feel valued because your trust is we will not take it for granted. Possible, gusto ko talaga perfect lahat for every order, every booking, every celebration that you trust us to be part of your moment. It's a big importance to us. That is why gusto ko sana perfect, kaya I'm so sad and sobrang tagal ko pa naman makamove on mga Suki Loves. Lalo na pag ako ang nagkakamali. And of course, despite of what happened, we still continue and improve our system, our service, and ourselves. Not because we want to be a perfect, maybe, but because we believe that every customer deserves our very best. So to everyone continued ordering and choosing Andrea's Bilao package, thank you so much for the trust, patience, and even your feedbacks help us become a better business. And at the end of the day, success is not about never making mistakes, it's about choosing to grow from every experience and never losing sight of what truly matters. It's about serving people with sincerity, respect. So for now, continue to improve, and most important, we continue to serve you with all of our hearts and our best also. And once again, this is Andrea's Bilao package. Thank you for watching.